Welcome back to Overheat, Aston Martin Motorhome 2026, an Opulent Mobile Retreat. Outside, iconic design by Aston Martin, the exterior of the RV will have an aerodynamic shape that reduces wind resistance, drawing inspiration from the dynamic proportions and clean lines of Aston Martin sports cars. The futuristic adaptive LED headlamps on either side of the unique front grille with Aston Martin wings will serve as the focal point. Strong and lightweight materials, aluminum, carbon fiber, and other lightweight, composite materials are used. Custom wheels, big alloy wheels with unique designs, touch sensor-equipped automatic door system. The design will effortlessly include large panoramic windows. Interior, lounge living room. This space will have a cozy sofa and armchairs, a coffee table that can be folded down or raised, and a concealed widescreen entertainment system with high-end sound. Kitchen, full-size. Refrigerator and freezer, convection oven, microwave, induction cooktop, and integrated coffee machine. Superior granite, marble, or composite materials will be used to make the countertops. Bedroom, a peaceful haven including an opulent king or queen-size bed, an integrated wardrobe, and a concealed television. High-performance engines, most likely a tuned high-performance diesel engine or a V8 or even V12 engine designed by Aston Martin, which provides ample power for navigating a range of terrains while maintaining efficiency. Driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking system, a 360-degree camera, and night vision are just a few of the many active and passive safety technologies that will be available. Digital touch controls for lighting, climate, entertainment, and security are all part of the integrated infotainment system. Smart home automation includes a sophisticated security system with surveillance cameras, voice control for a variety of tasks, and interaction with individual smart gadgets. Satellite with real-time maps. Traffic data is known as an advanced navigation system.